Welcome to the third video of this how-to series on the iPad. Last time around I showed you how to take a screenshot and how to annotate it and then save it as a PDF or as an image. In today's much shorter video, we're still going to continue looking at PDFs, but I'm going to show you a trick on how you can quickly convert pretty much anything into a PDF. This is something that I use all the time, particularly with emails. For example, if I've been sent flight information or tickets to an event over email, and I want to save that as a PDF, I can. And then what I do is I take that PDF and I attach it to the event on my calendar, which allows me to access the tickets or information really quickly. If you find this video useful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and also please consider subscribing. At the end of this video, I'll tell you a little bit about my Patreon if you want to provide even more support. So there are lots of third-party apps on the App Store that allows you to convert things to PDFs, but we don't need anything like that for this little trick. What we do need to do is find the app's ability to share or to print. So I've got my emails open here, and I've got this email from Amazon that I want to convert to a PDF. Now inside the Mail app, the print function is hidden under the reply menu, which is in the bottom segment of the screen over here. If I tap on that, it brings up this menu. If I scroll down, I'll find the option to print and I'm going to tap on that. You may have seen this before. This is our normal printer dialog box, which gives us options such as selecting the printer, the number of copies and the range. We're going to ignore all of that, but what we are going to do is have a look at the preview it's given us. Now to quickly convert this to a PDF, I put two fingers on the screen and then pinch to zoom out like I'm trying to expand it. What this does then is it gives me a full screen preview of the document. And to save this as a PDF, I click the share menu in the top right corner and I choose save to files. And that will save this email as a PDF for me, which I can then send off to other people or attach to a calendar event. If we're inside a different app like Safari, then we need to find the print option here. This is underneath the share menu, which can be found in the top right corner. If I scroll down, I can find the print option and the steps are exactly the same. Inside the Photos app, it's exactly the same. I go to the top right corner to find my share menu. I then scroll down, look for print, and I repeat the exact same steps as before. So that's the end of this tutorial on how to convert files to PDFs really quickly. If you found this video useful, please like, comment and subscribe, and also please check out my Patreon. My Patreon's just recently launched with 3 different membership levels, giving you access to things like exclusive videos, downloadable content, early access to new videos that are coming up, and more. You'll find the link to it in the description below. And that's it from me. I'll be back soon with some more how-to videos for the iPad.